In the grand tapestry of life, there's a thread often overlooked, yet undeniably crucial. This thread is opportunity. Picture it as the key that unlocks the door to untapped potential. At its core, opportunity is the favorable set of conditions that pave the way for achieving a goal. It's the golden ticket, the beacon of light in the darkness that guides us towards our desired destination. Now, one might wonder, how does one create these opportunities? It's a four-step process that anyone can follow. First, cultivate a mindset of openness. Openness is the soil in which the seeds of opportunity thrive. It means being receptive to new experiences, being willing to step outside a comfort zone. Remember, the broader the horizon, the more chances for opportunities to arise. Next, constantly learn and grow. Knowledge is a soil for opportunities to grow. Expand your skills, delve into new fields, explore uncharted territories of knowledge. The more proficient you become, the more doors of opportunity swing open. The third step involves networking. Forge connections. Engage in conversations. The people you meet can be the bridges to opportunities you never even knew existed. Each interaction is a chance to learn, to connect, to create an opportunity. The final step is action. Opportunities are like sunrises. If you wait too long, you miss them. So when an opportunity presents itself, seize it. Act on it. Now remember, this process isn't a one-time thing. It's a cycle. It's a continuous journey of openness, learning, networking, and action. It's the blueprint to creating your own opportunities. To wrap things up, let's ponder on a profound quote by Milton Berle, who once said, "If opportunity doesn't knock, build a door." So go forth, build your doors, and let opportunities flood in. The world is waiting for what you have to offer.